Thank you for watching the MOVA Robot Vacuum User Guide. In this video, we will show you how to use and maintain MOVA MOBIUS 60. Unpacking preparation. Open the outer box of the product, lift up the dust bag and remove the main unit, and confirm to remove all accessories. What's in the box? Pre-use preparation. Place the base station in an open location with good Wi-Fi signal. Reserve enough space to avoid placing other items within 1.5 meters in front of the base station and 5 cm on both sides. Install only the base station mop assemblies for the first use. Press the hatch release button to open the base station hatch. Align color indicators on mop assemblies with the matching docks. Insert each assembly until it clicks into place. Close the hatch by gently pressing its center to prevent mops from tilting or falling. Next, add MOVA cleaning solutions. Remove the dust tank cover and pull out the auto solution dispenser. Open the lids and add the correct solution to compartment A and B. Do not mix or swap solutions to avoid malfunction. Close lids, reinstall the dispenser until it clicks. Close the dust tank cover. Close the hatch gently to keep mops in place. Automatic filling of cleaning solution will be achieved during the execution of cleaning work. Remove the hose protection and install the ramp extension plate. Remove the protection film. Remove the cover. Remove the protective strip behind the bumper. Next, place the base station. Please firmly plug in the power cord. Ensure that the base station indicator light is on. If the mop assemblies are installed and the hatch is closed, the transport carrier will rise automatically within 15 seconds. Next, connect with MOVA Home app. Press and hold the power button on the host for 3 seconds to turn it on. Remove the main body cover. Scan the robot's QR code or search MOVA Home in the App Store. Download and install the app. Open the MOVA Home app, click on Scan Code Connection. Scan the QR code of the device again to add it. And follow the prompts on the app to complete the connection. Confirm the robot is powered on. Press and hold the power button and dock button simultaneously for 3 seconds. You will hear, waiting for the network configuration.
Waiting for the network configuration.
The power indicator flashes while connecting. Switch back to the app and wait for connection. Click Next to enter system settings. Connect to the network named MOVA Vacuum. Wait for configuration to complete. Next, connect the robot to the base station. Ensure the transport carrier has fully risen. Place the robot in the base station and check that the washboard filter is properly installed.
Start charging.
You will hear a voice notification when the robot connects successfully. Fully charge the robot before first use. If it won't turn on after battery depletion, manually dock it to charge. If the transport carrier hasn't risen, reconnect the power cord. Ensure the carrier rises, then dock the robot. Remove the clean water tank from the base station. Fill it with clean water, and then reinstall the clean water tank into the base station. Do not inject hot water to avoid deformation of the water tank. Follow the app instructions to start mapping. The robot will map your space without cleaning. When the robot returns to the base station, mapping is complete. The map will be saved automatically. After mapping, the robot begins cleaning using the app's optimized sequence. The switch for automatically changing the mop is enabled by default in the app. If you choose to turn off this switch, the host will use the default mop for cleaning. The app predefines mop to zone assignments. The robot will automatically return to the base station to swap mops as needed. These settings can be adjusted in the app if necessary. Mop types and recommendations. Thermal hold mop, ideal for heavy grease areas, like kitchens. Retains heat after high temperature washing. Dissolves stains effectively with heat. Plush mop, best for delicate floors, solid wood, bamboo, or composite wood. Ultrafine fibers and plush texture absorb water efficiently. Cleans and polishes floors with no residue. Hyperclean mop, suitable for general home cleaning. Covers the entire house efficiently and effortlessly. Do not put your hands into the washboard while the mop transport carrier is operating. Do not open the base station hatch while the mop is in use. Finally, remove the sewage tank from the base station. Pour out the sewage, and return it to the base station. Washboard filter cleaning. The washboard may be hot while the base station operates. After mop cleaning is complete, remove the robot. Open the base station hatch and take out the washboard filter. Rinse the filter with clean water and wipe it. Reinstall the filter and close the base station hatch. Washboard's PTC system cleaning. The washboard heating module may develop scale during use. Remove the robot from the base station. Pour a small amount of white vinegar on the heating module surface. Clean gently with a brush. The washboard may be hot. Cool it before handling. Mop pad holders cleaning. Remove the mop pad holders. Clean the holders thoroughly. Reinstall them into the docks. Mop pads cleaning. Remove the mop pads and replace with clean ones. When replacing, ensure each mop pad attaches tightly to the holder. Dust bag cleaning. Press the hatch release button to open the base station. Remove the dust tank cover and discard the dust bag. Remove the dust and debris from the filter with a dry cloth. Install a new dust bag and reinstall the cover. Close the base station door gently to avoid dislodging the mop assemblies. Used water tank cleaning. Remove the used water tank, open the cover, and pour out the water. Rinse the tank with clean water. Use an appropriate cleaning tool to scrub the inner wall. Clean the float ball gently to avoid damage. Dust box and filter cleaning. Open the robot cover and press the clip to remove the dust box. Take out the filter and empty the dust box. Gently tap the filter basket to remove dirt. Do not use brushes, fingers, or sharp objects. Rinse both with water and dry completely before reinstalling. Robot sensors cleaning. Wipe the robot sensors by using a soft and dry cloth. VersaLift sensor. 3D dual line laser sensors. Bumper window. Edge sensor. Bumper. Connectors. Cliff sensors. Carpet sensor. Use dry cloth only, moisture may harm the robot or base. Auto empty vents, charging contacts, and signaling area cleaning. Wipe all these areas with a soft, dry cloth. Allow the washboard to cool before cleaning, as it may remain hot. Battery care. Keep the battery charged for daily use. If in used for long periods, power off and store. Charge at least every 3 months to avoid damage.
MOVA